Be going to is used for almost everything in the future. For things that we've decided to do, to predict the future using information you know now, and often in casual speaking for the future in general. For learning English, your best option is to use be going to whenever you talk about the future. Let's look at the forms. The first form, it's going to plus verb. This is a form you will use a lot. It's going to, it's gonna. The other forms, I am going to, I'm going to. You are going to, you're going to. He is going to, he's going to. She is going to, she's going to. It is going to, it's going to. We are going to, we're going to. They are going to, they're going to. Note the pronunciation. When in sentences in normal speaking, the going to changes to gonna. You're gonna pass that exam. But always, always, always write going to. Let's look at some more examples with the negative. I am not going to go. I'm not going to go. I ain't going to go. You are not going to fail. You aren't going to fail. You're not going to fail. He is not going to go to sleep. He's not going to go to sleep. He isn't going to go to sleep. She is not going to drive. She's not going to drive. She isn't going to drive. It is not going to rain. It's not going to rain. It isn't going to rain. We are not going to complain. We're not going to complain. We aren't going to complain. They are not going to go away. They're not going to go away. They aren't going to go away. And now the questions. Am I going to finish? Is he, she, it going to start? Are they, we, you, going to continue? Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to press like. If you have something to say, don't forget to comment. And if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to actually learn something from this video, you can enroll in the Matusi2 Elementary English Grammar and Practice with lots and lots of activities. Okay, bye.